Hi everybody. It's been a while. I hope you're all doing well. I miss seeing your faces every day. Since we're getting back into doing some learning, we're going to do e-learning, remote learning. Thought I would put a quick video up just recapping where we left off. And we were in our acceleration unit and we had just gotten into the kinematic equations. And so a couple of key ideas that I wanted to retouch base with. Remember, acceleration, we've defined it as either speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. We have units for acceleration that are meters over seconds squared. On our velocity time graphs, a line that you make, a line segment, the slope of that segment is the acceleration. So if it's sloping upward, you've got positive acceleration. If this line becomes flat, you have zero acceleration. And if it's sloping downward, you have negative acceleration. Another idea we had from these velocity time graphs was that the area between our graphed line and the x-axis represented displacement. Or in other words, delta x. And a lot of times we're finding this area of these shaped graphs, and we had to cut these graphs into geometric shapes. We're good at finding the area of, like triangles, rectangles, and the like. If there's an area that's above the x-axis, that's positive displacement. If there's area below the x-axis, it would be negative displacement. Now, to describe objects that are moving, we use these kinematic equations, which you don't need to memorize. We had final velocity equals your initial velocity plus your acceleration multiplied by time. And we had displacement equals initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. These two equations you can use to figure out any of these variables that you're trying to find based on the problem you're working on. Remember my suggestion when you're reading a word problem, underline words that you know represent variables. Like if it says an object starts from rest, well, that would be your initial velocity, and it would be a 0. If it says that it's moving for 10 seconds, there's your time. Make sure your times are all in seconds, and your lengths are all in meters. So no kilometers, no hours and minutes. Change them all to seconds and meters. Good luck.